Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Then tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the search icon and search for the person that you would like to report. Now tap on the user's ID. Now select the exclamatory icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap Report option. Now select the reason why you would like to report this user. You can add any information if you like to, and also you can add photos or videos. Once you're done, tap on the report button at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can report someone on Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.